Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss the topic that is the pre-fertilization changes. So this topic comes under the subject developmental biology. So let's start. Pre-fertilization changes means the changes before the fertilization. So, the following points highlight the three events that take place during the sexual reproduction, and the events are the pre-fertilization events, the fertilization, and the post-fertilization events. So, this is true for animals as well as for plants. So, the in the sexual reproduction, either it is in animals or in plants, there are three events. One is the pre-fertilization changes or the pre-fertilization events. Second one is the fertilization, and third one is the post-fertilization events. So the pre-fertilization events have these sub events. Okay, one is the gametogenesis, and second is the gamete transfer. So the gametogenesis in the plants we have studied in the just earlier lectures. So in the higher plants, the stages of the sporogenesis and the gametogenesis. So the gametogenesis is divided into the two parts in the plants: sporogenesis and the gametogenesis. So sporogenesis is the formation of spore, and the gametogenesis is the formation of gametes. So this happens in the for the male gamete as well as for the female gamete. So gametogenesis, formation of the male gametes. There are two phenomena: the microsporogenesis and the microgametogenesis. Likewise, in the female, the two processes are there. One is the megasporogenesis, and then is the megagametogenesis. So this was the gametogenesis in the plants. And if we talk about the gametogenesis for the animals, the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis, the two processes which we have already discussed in the previous lectures. So the next thing which comes under the pre-fertilization changes is the gamete transfer. So in the flowering plants, the pollen grains which carries the male gametes, then when the anther buds, so a large number of pollen grains are released. These pollen grains, with the help of an agent, it may be wind, it may be water, it may be insect, it may be birds, or it may be human being. So through any of the mean, they are transferred to the stigma of the pistil. So when we studied about the structure of the flower, so in the female part of the flower, there is a stigma of, and a pistil is a part of the stigma. So the anther or the male gamete is transferred onto the stigma of the pistil through any mean. So after the transfer, the pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called pollination. So the process of transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the female plant is known as the pollination. Okay, so one thing is the pollination, and second thing is the pollen germination. Germination of pollen tubes. Sorry, germination of pollen tubes. So when pollination is completed, the second thing happened, that is the germination of pollen tube. So on reaching the stigma, the pollen grains germinates. The pollen grains or the male gametes germinates, and a tube-like structure called the pollen tubes come out of it. Okay, so the pollen tube carries the male gametes and grows downwards through the style until it reaches to the ovule situated in the ovary. Okay, so the pollen tube germinates from the pollen grain, and it grows towards the female gamete. Okay, uh, through the style until it reaches the ovule situated in the ovary. Okay, so on reaching the ovule, the pollen tube enters into it and then releases the male gamete near the egg. So the male gametes are released near the egg, and after that the fusion occurs, and the formation of the embryo is there. So this is the uh, pre-fertilization events. So thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this digital station. If you have any query, please write in the comment box, and I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.